For more on the beauty business, we have somebody who knows it very well. Nabi is the CEO of Coty, with us live from the New York Stock Exchange. The company's hosting its Investor Day. So let's actually start, Sue, with the health you're seeing in your business. We saw some pretty strong numbers on a year-over-year basis. What are you expecting to see for you?
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to outline, the key takings from this Investors Day, Coty's first Investor Day in many years. We've been, presenting to everyone our growth trajectory, and this company has a huge growth potential and growth engines. We've been presenting that the company is going to grow faster than the beauty market for the upcoming years. We've been explaining how we're going to build this growth, be it behind the consumer beauty business with CoverGirl, one of the most iconic American brands, back to growth today and about starting to accelerate already with the repositioning of our consumer beauty brands in Europe. And I would say with the growth engine of the company for the coming decade, it's the prestige business with our, fragrances that are all living in momentum today. You were talking about the consequences of the lockdown, and in fact, we've seen that many people rediscovered the prestige fragrance category, and in a way this category is regaining its letters of nobility, I would say, since it's the category that's been growing the fastest and that's going to benefit from a huge surge in consumption in areas like China. Can you imagine only 2.5% of Chinese people use fragrances today, and there is there a big hunger for high-end fragrances, and Coty, with brands such as Gucci, Burberry, Calvin Klein, Hugo Boss, Chloé, has exactly the portfolio of brands to benefit from these tailwinds coming either in America or in China. So really, the presentation behind these key strategic bets, including prestige makeup and skincare, what I could say a few words later maybe, has really gave strong confidence about how we're going to build this growth trajectory.
What is it about skincare that you want to say? Because I imagine people are using skincare more now that they have to go back out into the real world. But I wonder, in some places the climate is so bad, the pollution is so bad that you really need to, even people who weren't using skincare products before are trying to get the soot out of their pores.
Yeah, thank you for this question, because indeed, in fact, skincare was a key part of the presentation today, and we've been able to present today how we are going to build Coty's footprint in skincare, whatever is the region and whatever is the price tier. And again, to come to your question, I've told everyone the story of this sun protection and anti-pollution protection brand called Lancaster, which is a big leader in Europe, that we are starting to operate in China, in Hainan, and there the brand is gaining very, very quick traction because it has probably some of the best formulations to fight against UV and pollution. We presented the first CoverGirl skincare line, which is all about moisturizing and detoxifying the skin using cactus water. And last but not least, we presented the latest announcement that we made yesterday, which is the fact that Coty is now going to operate one of the most coveted, awarded skincare, ultra-premium skincare brand called Orveda, that was born a few years ago in Europe, and that's ready to go to China. So again, we've been presenting all our capabilities.
And I'm seeing some positive feedback to your plans, Sue, including the debt reduction, and you're targeting pretty aggressive growth. I mean, top line growth, that's 3% above the peer average, while increasing your profitability. How achievable is that? What are you doing to achieve those numbers?
So again, this strategy was really built block on block, block after block. We are stabilizing our consumer beauty business, and the high single-digit growth of our prestige business is going to help us to go to the next level. And again, it's really built with prestige fragrances, growing our footprint in prestige makeup, and going from less than 4% of skincare today to around 10% in the coming 3 years. And it's really built block on block, and this is really was in a way understood very easily by all people attending our Investors Day.
I want to ask you, Sue, to look into the future, 3, 4, 5 years, maybe 10 years, to the metaverse. We've all been talking about it so much, and Amanda refuses to go there. But I'm guessing people are going to want to wear makeup in the metaverse and probably even pay up for high-quality brands. Have you or your team thought about selling your products in a virtual reality?
So we started in fact to do collaborations with the gaming industry, which for me is one of the industries that's already having a foot into the metaverse. And clearly, having our brands part of this new world. And again, the strategy is always to be where consumers are shopping. So if people are going to be in this area, we have the right brands to give them opportunities to look at their best, including in the metaverse. But I guess that these people are going to continue to live in real life, and therefore using our skincare, using our makeup, or using the latest fragrances we'll be creating will be clearly still part of their life.